3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Baguhan pa lang sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan. Pinutin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago upload na videos. For more coming this may video, click the subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like the description box below. For the rest may vlog, Honda Forza 750 model 2025 aspect. Engine type liquid cooled, double revered cam, 12 valves.
1 hour later.
Engine displacement 745 cubic centimeter. No of valve per cylinder. 8 maximum power 43.1 kilowatt at 6,750 rpm. Maximum of torque 69 Newton meter torque at 4,000 rpm. Fuel delivery PPGM FI electronic fuel injection. Fuel tank 13 liters 13.2 liters. Fuel consumption 27.8 liters per kilometer. Starter electric. Ignition system fuel transition transite electronic. Battery capacity BAM 12 bulbs 11.2 clutch with multi-plate hydraulic to clutch. Final drive chain dimension 2,200 by 790 by 1,484. Frame type diamond steel pipe. Ground clearance 135. Curb weight 235. Seat height 790. Wheelbase 1,580. Kung di ka pa subscribe ka na at pinutin yung bell icon para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more coming this may video, click the subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like the description box below. Front suspension 41mm telescopic fork, 120mm stroke. Rear suspension monoshock damper, rolling swing arm, 120mm travel. Ang front rear size front 17 by by MT 3.50mm. Rear size 15 14 by 4.50mm. ABS system dual channel ABS. Front brakes 320mm double hydraulic disc with ideal 4 piston caliper. Rear brake port 240mm single hydraulic disc with that piston caliper. Instrument 5-inch color display 18 meter. Security system smart key system. Headlight LED, taillight LED. Ito isa siyang isang adventure bike scooter ng pares siya ng XADB ng Honda. Honda rin naman to. Bago rin labas na tong 2025 nito, yung Forza. Bibili mo to either maraming kahit saan branch pwede mabibili nyo to kasi nilabas na tong 2025 model yung capacity liters niya na tangke ay 13.2 liters. naka 2 keys na siya, dalawang ano siya. Tapos yung suspension niya 41 na. Tapos yung 4 stroke naman ay 61 by 71 mm. Tapos yung size naman niya naka 17 mm sa harapan. So yung nasa likod 15 mm ang sa likod. Ang bigat niya ay 235 kilograms. 235 kilograms. Ang seat height niya ay 790 mm. Tapos yung wheelbase niya ay 1,580. Yung ground clearance niya ay 135. Kung lagi ka nangagawi sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more videos, for more updates my video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Dito ko natapusin ang aking vlog. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you for watching this my vlog. Babush! Bye-bye!